just to keep it vertical, but maybe I also change a little bit angle, but not much, right? This outline a little bit too something. I'm gonna make it smoother like this, right? And if I need to, I can go back to widen it. But here, I pushed a little bit too hard because with the initial line, because I wanted you to see them. But now the problem is that some of this line kind of made a groove in the paper, and it is difficult. It's irregular, but I wanted you to see the line. If not, it's just when you do this kind of drawing in the beginning, right? You want to keep it light because the line, they don't have to be too dark, right? But again, if I don't make it dark, you don't see them, so it kind of defeats the purpose. This paper is nice, is good, right? But for this kind of work, you might want to use Strathmore Bristol because it's more compact, it's stronger. Now for this is good now because we're just practicing, right? But if you want to now spend when you learn, you know what you're doing, and you want to really develop a high level work with very good precise mark making and smooth tonal rendering, then you might want to use Bristol, Strathmore Bristol Series 500.